What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to be tackling question 3 of the 3rd grade mathematics questions that North Carolina released this past school year. We're being asked to test the number 7 for each of these equations. And you can see they all look pretty similar. They're all asking us to take a number, divide it by 7, and see if it gives us this thing over here on the left. So with that in mind, in order to do really well on a question like this, you're going to need to know the basics of equations as well as how to test a possible solution. So here's a quick overview of that. The idea of an equation is that we don't know something and we're trying to figure it out. And one way we can figure it out is by taking a number and testing it. And the way we're going to test that is I'll just go ahead and start demonstrating it with each of these answer choices. Since it says r equals 7, we're just going to go ahead and see which of these equations, when we plug 7 in and write it instead of r, is going to end up being true. So first thing, is it true that 30 divided by 7 equals 6? This is a great opportunity to use what we know about fact families. Fact families are going to be really, really helpful in any math problem, even when you get all the way up into high school math. Because if we see 30 divided by 7, and 7's the number we're testing, and we want to know if it equals 6, we can actually go ahead and rewrite that. And see if 6 times 7 equals 30. Now, if you know your times tables, and that's going to be something else you need to know here, but it's one of the more background skills, this actually comes out to equal 42. Not what we were looking for. Therefore, it can't be choice A. So I'm going to use that same idea, that same principle of testing for choice B, and I'm going to see if 54 divided by 7 equals 7. Using my knowledge of fact families, I can flip that around and test if 7 times 7 equals 54. Now again, to go back to our times tables, 7 times 7 actually equals 49. Not what we were looking for if choice B were our right answer. But with choice C, I think we may have something here because I see the number 49, and so it seems like if I'm testing if 49 divided by 7 equals 7, then I want to see if 7 times 7 does equal 49. And with my knowledge of times tables, I actually know that that works. Therefore, this equation works. Therefore, our right answer is C.